呢個美女啦。
So yeah, so they're going to be interviewing Christine. See what's your take on it? What made you interested in doing Tai Chi?
So I've been in Hong Kong for many years now, and I also saw people in the park like very often. I always thought it's like maybe for old people just stepping. But then once I tried, I found Rick. Think, oh, it's very challenging. So my background is dance and yoga. And then I thought it's very beautiful when I watch her. It's like dancing also. So I really love. It's very beautiful and actually very challenging.
Thank you。
唔係咁，佢都喺香港都住咗好耐㗎啦。咁佢開頭咧，即係見到啲人打太極咧，喺啲公園咧，即係佢覺得即係幾有興趣咧。但係即係佢諗住都係啲老人家玩啊。咁跟住佢認識我咧，因為佢本身係教瑜伽。跟住我就介紹佢俾即係佢做太極咧，見到哇都好有挑戰性喎。咁所以佢就想學，跟住又見到徐師傅咧，見到佢即係好似跳舞跳得好靚啊！咁本身佢自己係跳舞底啊，所以佢覺得即係好適合佢咯，即係咁講咯。
哇！你咁我哋又係呢個係我哋嘅飛機師嚟㗎喎，所以點時間我得罪講嗰個。
So my parents were here in 1973, so I grew up watching pictures of Hong Kong and reading books, Jin Yong books, and all the Chinese culture, calligraphy. So I always liked Chinese swords. So yeah, Tai Chi is wonderful. I like to thank Sifu because he invited me. I was too shy to ask to practice, so she came and grabbed me and she gave me the opportunity to practice with them. So very happy.
Very good. 我哋師兄姐講個發現啦，係啊。
唔係佢咧就1973年咧就已經過咗嚟香港㗎啦，即係嚟呢度度假即係佢本身佢就即係覺得即係啲中國嗰啲文化啊，佢本身佢又中意即係金庸嗰啲書啊，佢又成日睇啊，即係對中國文化嗰啲劍啊即係佢嗰啲中國嗰啲文化嗰啲嘢，佢都即係嗰啲。即係毛筆啊嗰樣嘢佢都好有興趣啊！
同你一樣喎。
跟住，但係即係佢見到呢班人喺度打太極啊，見到學得好靚啊，即係佢徐師傅即係又入佢過嚟啊，就俾機會佢，俾機會佢即係過嚟呢度，但係因為佢本身佢話佢比較怕醜啊，佢話。
好啦，咁我哋今日嘅重頭戲咧就我哋嘅師傅啦，咁咁師傅咧就出現咗。首先嚟講，我哋嘅太極，我哋嘅徐年太極學會咧係香港已經20幾年。咁近排嚟講咧，師傅嗰個太極咧就傳播咗咧全世界，大家都可以睇到啦。喺呢個草地入邊咧，咁多外國人咧嚟拜師傅，我哋嘅師傅講佢哋嘅嗰個體會啦。
今日好開心啦！周大年先生亦都係我哋個會長啦，喺度。希望佢哋個團隊咧體驗下我哋中國嘅文化咧，我哋個國寶太極。咁今日好開心咧，咁多位不同國家嘅外籍人士咧都愛好太極嚇。呢位嘅燈腳好高，你就睇到啦嚇。呢個咧就啱啱學咗3堂嘅啫，3、4堂嘅啫。咁阿柏咧，佢有一個好忙嘅，頭先都講咗介紹咗啦，我都唔需要再講啦嚇。佢飛機師咁但係佢個太極咧係打得非常柔和。加上趙雷咧又咁多年浸咗咁多年咧，就喺度咧就開始教學生啦嚇。呢位係佢個學生，咁仲有一位咧佢唔要上鏡。咁咧周生咧有今日嘅成功咧係值得開心嘅。周生係一個好愛好太極，同埋每日都爭取去練習。除咗佢個保成嘅工作咧，仲有個太極。佢唔打太極嗰日咧係有啲腳痕啊！周生咧亦都係對太極係好熱愛啦。佢太極好成功，不單止保險有成功，太極都好成功。佢嘅太極咧可以講得係行雲流水、立身中正。佢嘅太極咧係 金牌啊！比賽
多謝
韻律嗰個韻律咧係非常之美嘅。佢因為成功咁勤力，先至去比賽場合咧係可以攞到獎嘅。唔止一次啊嚇！我哋呢位夏威夷嘅趙雷師傅嗰個獎嚇，我哋呢一班外籍人士希望今次咧經過呢個體驗呢個中國嘅文化太極咧，希望佢哋繼續努力，將中國嘅文化太極發揚去世界各地。多謝周生，
多謝師傅，多謝師傅，
多謝周生。
大家都知道咧，我打太極咧，而家今年已經14個年頭。早期咧，你哋睇睇咧，我就住喺呢度附近嘅。 咁啊嗰時咧講句老實説話，我咧肥豬大隻啊，咁啊精神又唔係幾好。自從學咗太極之後咧，我覺得咧身體又健康啦。我把太極嘅文化咧就帶到嚟大連家族，我係寶城大連家族嘅。咁啊咧而家嚟講，我哋大連家族咧就幾千個人，我哋咧一定要秉承太極嘅文化。所以咧，我覺得呢個太極嘅文化、太極嘅精神咧，一定咧係要發揚光大。更加係大連家族咧，我哋咧大家一齊嚟學習我哋嘅師傅嘅精神。師傅，你哋估下師傅今年講唔講到啊？俾師傅自己講，我真唔講都得㗎嚇。咁大家都知道，我今年咧就74歲啦。咁啊，師傅嚟講咧，同我細幾歲嘅啫。大家睇到我哋係成個草地嚟講，睇到個師傅咧，好似哇一個小姑娘咁樣。咁我覺得都係精神。咁啊咧就今日採訪，我覺得我哋嘅好運又可以請到咧。呢個都係咪請啊？我哋吸引咗呢班我哋嘅我哋嘅外國朋友一齊
徒弟徒先啊！
咁啊，師傅嚟講，而家真係桃李滿目啊，遍佈全世界地址。好嘛？OK。
多謝大家。